So, how was your stay here, Shamaj?
It was good. It was good. You made it better. She's the kid of the group, okay? So
No.
we've had lots of fun with her. She always used to keep things light. She helped us keep things light when it was needed. And I'm not saying that she's not intense, she's very, very intense. But along with that intensity, there's a little goofiness, and it helped us a lot. That was our recreation. Dikshita was our recreation throughout the period of stay here. How was yours? How was your experience?
My experience is very phenomenal because I got to meet such wonderful people through HLS. Apart from Sir,
Of course, yeah.
you know what makes the process more interesting is the people you're associated with.
Yeah.
So this journey, it didn't feel like a lone battle. Like people were there.
Yes.
There's synergy in it, and we also learned how to deal with ourselves.
Yes,
You know, without no
absolutely.
one's support, well, parents' support.
Yeah.
Like I am a very lazy kid, so coming here, being independent, you know, learning to be more responsible, and then behaving with people, because you'll have your own mood swings, but how you know, communicate with others, that aspect. How do you motivate each other to study?
Yes,
Because each other's, you will be on a mood down that
Yes,
day,
yes.
push you to, you know, study.
How many
in this.
times have we forced you to get up and study and move
Yes,
your ass
yeah,
out?
yeah, waking each other up at
Yes.
5. So,
Yeah, we did all that.
so it yeah, 1 + 1 adds 11 kind of a process. This is
It was indeed very fun, and
Yeah.
people make it a lot,
Lot
better and
better.
a lot bearable.
Yeah.
Because it's a very intense thing. I think people make all the difference.
One thing HLS offers you is it gives you
Amazing people.
It's one of the primary sources. It gives you more people apart from your study sources also, and knowledge sources. This is an add advantage. So how are you feeling on this day after exams?
I'm feeling relieved, and there are a lot of mixed emotions, I think, because Mitra just left and I'm leaving now and you will leave. So yeah, it's been a association of what, more than few months, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And we've shared the same room. So of course, like,
Do you have a feeling of not leaving HLS now? I want to continue more studying.
studying part really no, but in other aspects there's a scope, so let's see there. But yeah, the bedtime stories, the crazy stories, everything, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was, man.
It was a lot of fun. So
yeah,
would you do this all over again?
Actually, yes.
Yes? Yeah, even I would.
This doesn't give a depressing feeling of sitting at home,
Yes,
studying
absolutely.
10 hours, but that feels like 20 hours. Here, even if you study 10 hours, whenever I used to submit the, you know, DE, I'm like, did I study 10 hours? And Mitra used to be like, yeah, bro, you studied for 10 hours.
Yeah, even solitude felt like, you know,
You weren't actually,
alone. It did not give that lonely.
Though you were fighting your own battle, but then you were not really alone. People were there with you, walking through the same path, though it's a lone battle. So that aspect for me really gave me a push.
Yeah, same. Even I'm a people person. Like I need people around me to function and cherish the moment and enjoy the process. And I guess, I met some really cool people.
Manjuddin.
Yeah.
So
that was wonderful.
Yes, definitely would love to relive this. Maybe the intensity part.
The intensity part, especially the last few days, was really.
Yeah, the way we were there for each other in each other's exam also. So, oh my God, that kind of an and the emotion was
too. I miss that group hug, man.
Before every exam.
Before every exam, the group hug.
That was another level. Oh God.
Yeah. We functioned like a mini family. I think me and Mitra used to take care of her, and we used to call her, even though she hates it the most, but.
What? I'm not a kid.
Yeah, she's not a kid. She can take care of herself. But we felt like, you know,
we gelled really quick. We got attached.
We really young than both of us, so we had that protective elderly sister feeling, and it was.
It was a very fun journey, and I'm really thankful that Sir gave me the experience to actually experience all of this. So whatever happens for good.
Absolutely.